Hey guys, my name is Real Crypto, and on this channel we'll talk about the hottest crypto projects and launches. And today we're going to talk about one of my favorite crypto exchanges called Bitget, because they just announced one of the biggest trading competitions I've ever seen with a $5 million prize pool. And it's actually a competition together with Messi. So I think this is a really great opportunity for everyone watching my video. But before that, I need to remind you, this is not financial advice. Always do your research, and let's check out today's trading competition.
Get money.
So today we are talking about Bitget and the trading competition together with Messi with a $5 million prize pool. And I actually did already 4 or 5, maybe even more videos about Bitget because I'm a big fan of this exchange. I personally use it to trade different coins, altcoins, to hold tokens. And I think this could be one of the best actually Texas centralized exchanges out there right now. So just to do a quick recap of the highlights, this is a platform from 2018. So it's an OG platform with lots of different tokens. Right now, they have more than 590 plus currencies. And this is really bullish because on my channel, we'll always talk about different altcoins, new altcoins. And actually, Bitget is usually one of the first to list these smaller altcoins, which is really bullish for the beginners and people watching my channel because we have a chance to buy these tokens on the centralized exchange, which is, of course, way safer and, of course, easier than using different DEXs, different chains. That's why I like Bitget for the beginners. Next up, they have a really cool copy trading feature, which I'm actually testing right now. And of course, I plan to do a video about this topic a bit in the future, so don't forget to subscribe. Also, they have a really cool app. You can actually earn up to 300% APR. And as mentioned, they're one of the top exchanges in the world. If you go to the coin market cap, you can see right now with the spot, you can see Bitget is sitting at the 12th spot with 1.5 billion trading volume in past 24 hours for the spot. And if you click derivatives, actually Bitget is a number 5. Again, really big numbers. So you can see Bitget is one of the top crypto exchanges in the world, but what makes it really bullish and different for me and why I'm talking about it is the smaller altcoins and also different giveaways, deposit bonuses, and collaboration with Messi. So today, actually, we are talking about this huge $5 million trading competition. You can find it right here on the page. It's called KCGI, which is King Cup Global Invitational. And right here, you can see the overall prize pool is $5 million. I think this is really insane. And actually, I would just join this platform just for this big bonus and this big prize. And right now, they have 103,000 participants. They have currently 1,800 teams. And the current prize pool is $3 million. And competition starts in 2 days, 2 hours, 38 minutes. And as usual, guys, I will try to publish this video as soon as possible for you to still have time to learn more about this competition and, of course, to participate. So now let's learn how this competition is actually working. So we have different prize pools for the different competitions. So there's a team battle, and the team ROI prize pool is 1.5 million, and for the team trading volume prize is also 1.5 million. Next up, we have the individual competition. So $750,000 is an individual ROI prize pool, and for the individual trading volume prize pool is also 750,000. And lastly, we have the newcomer challenge. So newcomer ROI prize pool and newcomer trading volume prize pool is $250,000. So you can see the prizes are truly insane and really big. I never seen actually a trading competition with the prize pool that high. And if you want to participate, actually you can see buttons right here. You can actually join the team or become a captain. So if you want to become a captain and start your own team, you click right here. So you can see you need $100 in the futures assets to start your own team. So you can deposit or transfer. Or if you want to join the team, you can click join the team, and you can see different teams you can actually join. So it's really easy. Next up, you can see we have Messi prizes. So reach a futures trading volume of at least $60,000 during the promotion for a chance to win Messi prizes. And these are really cool prizes. So the first prize is Ferrari, which is 2022. Next one is, it's moving so fast. Next one is one winner will get a Messi watch, which is Rolex Yachtmaster. After that, we will have 3 Messi signed balls. We have 6 Messi jerseys, and we have 10 Bitget merch with the Messi, of course. So the prizes are really cool. You're getting lots of cash here. You can also get some like cars, Ferraris, Rolexes. So the prizes are really cool. Next up, we have the schedule. So if you plan to participate, it's actually really easy. You can see the full schedule. So right now we are at the beginning of the June. So you can see team registration is still open. Participants join teams. After that, we also have daily P&L competition and daily tasks happening right now till June 27th. So it's really easy to track what's happening because they have this schedule. Next up on top, you can see right here live are daily rewards. So this is actually how you can start earning rewards right now. And we have the daily ROI ranking. So you can see some people already making like 1,700 ROI and get rewarded 100 BGB. After that, we have the daily tasks. So it's really easy. So you can see complete tasks to open treasure chest. So the first one is daily futures trades. So reach $1,000, daily deposits and daily referrals. So invite one friend to sign up and register for the KCGI on the day. And it's actually really easy. You can see what kind of prizes you can get. So if you get the basic chest up to $10, next chest is up to $100 and guaranteed prizes up to $1,000. And I think most of the people watching my channel can actually participate and get these chests and these prizes. And next up, we have daily activity rewards, and you have all the rules of the competition. As usual, guys, I'll leave all the links in the description so you can find all this information. Let's go back to the home page. And if you plan to participate, they actually have these really great videos explaining you how it all works. They even have other ways to win these prizes, tips, and of course, all the rules you need to know. So guys, I think this is a really cool competition. You can get big prizes. There is lots of different ways with the team battles, individual, newcomer, daily rewards, and even Messi prizes. So I think everyone will find their own. And of course, guys, good luck winning these prizes. You can find all the links in the description. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.
Get money.